Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon.
How are you today?
Fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you for asking me. Okay, before we start our class, let's pray together. Start. Okay. I want to ask you, what comes to your mind when you hear or know about announcement? Apa yang kamu pikirkan atau pernah tahu tentang announcement? Announcement berarti pengumuman. Pengumuman, oke. Others? What? Warning. Okay. Thank you. And then, where do you find announcement? Biasanya kalian temukan announcement itu di mana? Sekolah, oke. Jalan,
Masjid.
and any other place. So today we are going to explain about announcement text. So the first is definition. Announcement text is something that is written or spoken to give information so that other people know that there is something happening or about to happen. Jadi itu adalah sebuah pengumuman yang tertulis atau biasanya itu secara lisan untuk diberitahukan kepada orang-orang atau masyarakat umum mengenai informasi apa yang terjadi atau yang sudah terjadi. Next is social function. To give information and let people know about something that has happened or that will happen. Untuk memberitahukan informasi terbaru kepada orang-orang tentang apa yang terjadi atau apa yang akan terjadi. Sebuah peristiwa baru. And the next is generic structure. We have three generic structure. The first is opening. The opening part of the announcement text will be marked with the title or type of event, basic purpose of the announcement, or an outline of what will be conveyed in the content of the announcement. Jadi opening itu biasanya ada di awal. Itu bisa berupa title atau jenis agenda. For the example, like school competition, and then job application or job vacancy, like that. So the second is content. The content section is also called the explanation. You can provide detailed information to answer the question what, where, when, and how. Jadi di konten ini tuh berisikan sebuah isi di mana kalian tuh bisa mencari jawaban dari pertanyaan apa, di mana, kapan, dan bagaimana. Ini juga biasa disebut explanation. And the third is closing. You can write advice, additional information, contact person, social media, call to action, thanks, and also closing greetings. Jadi closing itu ada di bagian part paling akhir. Itu biasanya berisi tentang kalimat atau menjelaskan kayak kontak person. Misalnya kalian bisa hubungi nomor di bawah ini, Miss siapa namanya ini, atau thank you for your attention, thank you for ini, atau tanda tangan di bawah ini, misalnya kepala sekolahnya namanya siapa gitu. Types of announcement. In here we have 7 types. The first is events. To missing person or animal or item. Misalnya kalian kehilangan orang atau saudara, atau kehilangan hewan, kehilangan barang. The third is winners of competition. Kayak pengumuman pemenang juara lomba-lomba itu. Job vacancy, sad news, marriage or birthday, and the last is youth programs. For language features, we have 4: simple present tense, future tense, imperative sentence, and declarative sentence. For the example, I have one example. Please, you guys mention to this example. Can you answer what is the opening on this example? Anyone? Opening.
All member of class sosial 4.
Okay. How about the others? Are you agree with Pilar? Yes? Are you sure? Opening.
Maybe the class competition. Or to prepare it, please, all the members.
Opening, guys.
Our announcement.
Yeah, that's correct. Okay. Thank you. And then, what is the content of this example? Isi dari contoh ini tuh apa? Yang mana?
Our classroom will join. Our classroom will join
Okay. Until
until 20 and 20.
Or until please come on.
okay, that's correct, Fiona. And the last is closing. What is the closing of this?
Chief Peter Queen.
Okay. So I think you already understand about this material. I will give you worksheet. So you guys please. Di bagian ini tuh ada instruction-nya, write the generic structure of the text above. Jadi silakan ditulis struktur teksnya berdasarkan teks yang ada di depannya. Do you have any problem?
No.
Oh no. Pilar?
No.
Okay. Ada yang sudah selesai? Siapa?
Pilar.
Pilar? Okay, Pilar. So come to in front of your class and present your answer.
So guys, here is for the opening is the announcement of online class during pandemic. That is the opening, and the content is from in connection with ITC until you can contact until
Number WhatsApp.
until you can contact WhatsApp NMP. And the last is for the closing here is from the number and say thank you for your attention.
Okay, good job, Pilar. Keep applause for Pilar.
Thank you, Miss.
Yeah. So, I have the last segment. Can we answer together? Before we answer for this segment, can anyone help me to read this text? Good enough?
Camp will be organized by ICD 2023 on March 1. March 1st, 2022, the main aim is to help raise the standard of English among Participants will spend an exciting and fun firework weekend at Tanah Hai. Activities include quizzes, treasure hunt, talent match, and carousel. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Okay, after we read this text, ini bisa langsung jawab gitu. Bisa langsung dijawab. Okay. I will ask you. For the first is opening. What is opening?
Student camp.
Student camp. Anyone agree with Fiona?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. And the second is content. What is the content of this text?
Content, a camp will be organized until match and carousel.
Okay. And the last is closing. What is the closing of this text?
The closing is for future inquiries, call Miss Tiara at number WhatsApp.
Okay, good job, Fiona. So, can anyone summarize what we learned today?
Yes.
Any final tip? Apa yang sudah kita pelajari?
Dari tentang pengumuman,
Okay.
pengumuman atau
We learned about announcement
Jadi instructor of
announcement and the future of announcement.
Okay, I think you already understand about this material. For the next meeting, I will give you assignment. You guys please make one announcement. Terserah pengumumannya kayak apa. Nanti untuk pertemuan next, you will present in front of the class. Okay, I think that's all for today. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.